In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam corrupt update files. If you keep seeing errors when a game tries to update, stick with me and we'll walk through a clean, reliable sequence to get things downloading properly again. Start by opening Steam and heading to the top left menu. Choose Steam, then Settings, and open the Downloads section. Click Clear Download Cache and confirm. This wipes temporary update data that can get stuck or mismatch, which is a common reason updates fail. Steam will restart itself automatically afterward, and you may be asked to sign in again. That's normal. Once it reopens, test the affected game's update. If the progress bar still stalls or the error returns, it's okay to repeat this cache clear one more time before moving on. Next, focus on the game itself. In your library, right-click the game that's failing to update, select Properties, and open Installed Files. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the installation, compare it to what the servers expect, and automatically re-download anything that's missing or corrupted. This can take a few minutes depending on the size of the game, but it's one of the most effective fixes because it targets the files actually causing the problem. This process is safe and generally won't affect your saved data. If issues persist, check the health of your library folder. Go back to Steam, Settings, then Storage. Select the library folder where the game lives, click the three dots, and choose Repair Library. This process checks for folder-level problems, reindexes manifests, and corrects permissions, which helps when corruption is broader than a single title or when Steam can't reliably write patch files. Another helpful adjustment is changing where you download from. In Settings, open Downloads again, and pick a different download region from the drop-down, ideally a nearby alternative. Click Restart Now when prompted. Sometimes a congested or flaky server in your current region leads to corrupted chunks. Switching regions gives you a clean path, and you can always change it back later. Finally, try running Steam with elevated permissions. Locate Steam. EXE, right-click it, choose Run as Administrator, and then attempt the update again. Elevated access can resolve write or permission conflicts that stop patches from applying. If you normally launch Steam from a desktop shortcut, right-click that shortcut and choose Run as Administrator. It points to the same executable. After working through these steps in order, most corrupt update file errors are resolved. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.